All right, we have a staircase on the back of the building now. It looks fantastic. It looks amazing. It looks, I'm speechless. So we still have one more spot. You see that little gap right there? I still need to fill that in. So I'm gonna show you a little trick how I did that. And then at the end of the video, I'll go through and tell you why we went the way we went with this specific staircase. So sit back and watch. Now it's time for the fit check. Let's see if this actually worked. Ooh, nice. Now it's time to mount it. so let's check out these samples here. They're all very nice. Paint looks great on them, nice edges, very sound. A lot of detail on some of the other ones. Looks very good. So let's check out the edges and stuff on here. Nice, I like that. I like the color of this one in. I was amazed when I took this out of the box because it was like, man, this thing's sound. It's kind of hard to tell through the plastic there, but where they've grooved and stuck everything together looks very good. So anyway, very happy with the samples that we've got here. So if you know anybody in the areas that's interested, tell them to give me a call.